Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Tonkeeper extension to your Brave browser. This is very easy. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and either click the three lines on the upper right hand side here, and then you want to click on extensions. Now this will take you over to the settings section here. Just simply click on the web store. It says find extension and themes in the web store, so click on that and it will open up the web store here for Brave. And from here in the search, simple type in Tonkeeper, right? Now go ahead and search, you will find it here. Click on the wallet here and then click on add to Brave, then click on add extension. Now once this is added as the extension, guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the icon here towards the top right. This is going to open up the welcome and you just need to follow the instructions here. So simple click on get started, and if you're new, simple click on new wallet. If you have an existing account, simple click on the existing account and login. Right now, let's say you want to do the new, simple click on that. It will load up this page here. Let's say generate a bunch here, so simple click on continue. You need to remember all of these different words, so take a screenshot or copy all of these words. You can use your phone to take a picture. You just need to remember them, because the next step is that once you click continue, it's going to ask you to fill in 3 of them, so you need to remember them. Right now, once you do that, just simply continue the process, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.